she all up in the camera, so I'm trying. Again, what it tastes like, honey? You got a cup,
Fine.
All right. Hello, 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 my loves. Yes, it's a beautiful day out here at the waters. And guess who came to visit? I told y'all I'm gonna have a special guest on my vlog this week, y'all. Why she acting like she a tourist in the people country?
I know.
Look at her. Y'all, she should have came last week Wednesday with her damn bright ass orange when it was King's Day. That's when she should have came. Got on full orange here. But anyway, they out in the city. Let's see how long this sun lasts is. It's beautiful out, y'all. But your girl is hungry. We're about to go get her something to eat. So let's go, Joy Joy. Oh, the girl took her cousin out on a night in the city. These streets of Amsterdam, y'all. What are we doing out here? People watching, being tourists, not doing a damn thing but watching and viewing. Yes, y'all. This, you guys, is Amsterdam City. And if I show you guys the magnets that I bought, you're seeing this exact same view. And here is where you get the boat rides. You pay for a boat ride and you go out on the water and you get a tour, an hour tour, a guided tour on the water. Look at the boats. And these kinds of boats. This is where you get the ride, y'all. As you can see, it's beautiful out here. Yes. And her is on vacation. Her. All right, you guys. Well, boat ride it is. We thought we could get on, but guess what?
And
Her
we
and
got
I move backwards, Johnny. Skin your face. Go down more. More. There you go. And put up the rosé now. And we're drinking wine on the boat ride. Yes. Wow.
I'm sorry.
Wine. She just saw the wine, the rosé.
yes.
Y'all.
Promotion. So if you are in Amsterdam and you're on a boat ride,
Make
these
sure
are
you
allowed.
get the wine. And what does it taste like, Joy? Have you tasted it?
All right.
yet?
So
Slide backwards. You all up in the camera.
I will be demonstrating.
Y'all, she all up in the camera, so I'm trying. Again, what it tastes like, honey? You got a cup,
Fine.
All right. Y'all, excuse my video because she's all up on me, so. Oh, you know what, Joy? Move backward again. What does the wine taste like, honey?
Do I have to do this all over again?
All over again, sweetheart.
It's actually very tasty.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like Swedish, kind of, it's wine, it's rosé.
Guys, it's rosé. We're going on the boat ride, and we get to.
Already in Amsterdam.
And where are you just coming from?
Red City.
No. Turn around and talk to the camera.
Red, red, red village.
Red light.
Red.
Red light district.
Let me tell y'all, they're naked girls standing in the window. Grannies, grandpa, everyone is walking by, and you could go pay to be with them for an hour. Sex is legal in Amsterdam.
Did you find it interesting? Did you want to try something?
No. I have a bill.
She got a bill, y'all. On Thursday, we'll do another review of this bill. Anyway, let's start our trip, y'all. I'm excited. I guess we're on our way, guys.
Herzlich willkommen an Bord dieses Unterboots der Reederei Plus. Während unserer Fahrt erklären wir Ihnen die Bewandtnis der wichtigsten
Pull it out. Oops. Hold on. Let me put this here. Okay. Now, alright, you guys, we're pulling out and we're leaving the dock, I guess. Whatever it is you call it. But we're leaving. We had another one. It's just going to be over private. We'll let you sit there and relax and I'm outside. I don't know what to say, but the view is beautiful, you guys. And it's still light out. Do y'all believe it's 9 o'clock at night? And it's still light out. Yes. Alright, let's go. You close the top drawer? Now we're going under the bridge, y'all. Yes. Under the bridge, we're going under the bridge.
Rechts ziet u de basiliek van de heilige Nicolaas, ofwel de Sint-Nicolaaskerk genoemd. De kerk is vernoemd naar de patroonheilige van Amsterdam, Sint-Nicolaas. De kerk zet zich vooral in voor de zwakkeren uit de stad en speelt een belangrijke rol voor de bewoners in de binnenstad.
To your right is the Basilica of St. Nicholas, also known as the St. Nicholas Church. The church was named after the patron saint of Amsterdam, St. Nicholas. It devotes itself in particular to the vulnerable people in the city and has a key role for the inhabitants of the inner city.
Rechts sehen Sie die Basilika des heiligen Nikolaus. Man nennt sie auch die Sint-Nikolaaskerk. Die Kirche ist nach dem Schutzpatron Amsterdams benannt, Sankt Nikolaus. Die Kirche setzt sich hauptsächlich für die Schwächeren der Stadt ein und spielt eine wichtige Rolle für die Bewohner der Innenstadt.
You're in love with your lover. That's where you need to be. Oh. Beautiful.
Maybe you can translate.
That's the church right there. Listen that's the Doubletree Hotel. The Doubletree Hilton. It's beautiful. Look at that. Y'all, it's just beautiful out here. The water is calm because it's 9 o'clock at night. And yes, it's still light out, so I'm trying to figure out What's the lighthouse? This one right here. I don't know what it's called right here. I have no idea what it's called, you guys. No clue. But I think it's a restaurant, underwater Chinese restaurant.
Floating palace. Wow.
Oh, the floating palace. Okay.
Yeah. Right.
The floating palace.
Spice Islands. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Dinner underwater.
There's one thing about Vegas, they do highlight all the
And we're going around. We're just riding around in the lake, you guys, on the water.
Historie, zoals de VOC-reizen.
This building has 1,000 windows, you guys. 1,000 windows. It's called the shipping house.
Major Amsterdam shipping companies to serve as their head office. This building is also known as the House with 1,000 Windows. It was built in the famous style of the Amsterdam School and was decorated with details from shipping history,
So 6
including the
different
voyages
shipping
of the
companies
VOC.
built this.
It currently serves as a very luxurious hotel.
Links
Oh,
sehen Sie
it's
ein
a hotel
Schifffahrtshaus,
right
das
now.
von
They
6
turned it into
großen
the hotel. It
Amsterdamer
was
Reedereien
the
gebaut
shipping
wurde.
company's
Man nennt das
head
Gebäude auch
office,
das Haus
but
mit
now
den
they
1000
turned it
Fenstern.
into a hotel.
Das Gebäude wurde in dem
1,000
bekannten
windows. I don't
Baustil
know if they
der
have 1,000
Amsterdamsche
rooms,
Schornstein
but they do
gebaut
have
und wurde
1,000
mit Details, die
windows.
der Amsterdamer Schifffahrtshistorie entstammen, wie die VOC-Reisen etwa, verziert. Jetzt dient es als Luxushotel.
Look at your girl enjoying the view and on the water.
Our dates back to the 15th century.
As I was saying, we're on the water doing a day tour. Well, it's a night tour because it's after 9 at night, but as you can see, it's still lights out. So we're enjoying the beautiful
Sehen
weather.
Sie den
It's
Mauerbahnstollen,
beautiful.
einen alten
Look at the
Verteidigungsturm, dessen
water.
unterer Teil aus
I
dem
know I'm
15.
probably all up on
Jahrhundert
the camera,
datiert,
but that's
während
okay
der obere Teil
because
erst im 17.
I'm also
Jahrhundert
charging
hinzukam. Der Turm wurde
phone
früher
at
The
the same
Marmelade
time.
genannt,
I didn't
der
see it
verrückte Jagd, da seine Uhr
because
ziemlich lange aus dem Takt lief.
trying to show you guys everything behind me. Yes, guys. So we're outside, and I'm taking you guys along with me on this boat trip. Trying to learn the video, trying to learn the city here.
City walls were on your right-hand side.
Die Gracht, durch die wir jetzt fahren, heißt Au de Chance. Auch sie ist eine alte Verteidigungsgracht der Stadt. Auf der rechten Seite befand sich früher die Stadtmauer.
Amsterdam kampte met een groot tekort aan woonruimte. Daarom gingen mensen vliegend uit noodzaak wonen op een boot, waarvan we hier enkele zien liggen. Vandaag de dag
So
is dat
they're
veranderd.
saying because Amsterdam is so packed, people had a short of living space. So some people decided to live on boats. As you can see, they turned their homes
Amsterdam is
into
facing a major
boats.
housing shortage, forcing people to live on
So they
boats
were
and
just
yachts.
living in their
Some of these
boats. Look
boats
at
we
that.
see moored in this area. These days, the situation is very different. Houseboats are highly sought after nowadays. All of the houseboats are connected to all of the facilities. People are willing to pay considerable amounts for these floating houses.
Amsterdam kämpfte mit einer großen Wohnungsnot. Aus diesem Grund zogen viele Bewohner notgedrungen in ein Hausboot, von denen wir hier einige sehen. Heute verhält es sich etwas anders. Hausboote sind gegenwärtig sehr beliebt. Alle Hausboote besitzen einen Gas-, Wasser- und Elektrizitätsanschluss. Für diese treibenden Häuser werden
So
ziemlich
you
hohe
can't find
Beträge
an
hingewettert.
apartment, you live in a boat on the water. Interesting.
op de hoger gelegen delen. De eerste bewoners waren vissers en boeren.
The first inhabitants settled on the estuaries of this river, founding the place we have come to call Amsterdam. The first inhabitants built their houses on the higher ground. These first inhabitants were fishermen and farmers.
Entlang der Mündungen dieses Flusses haben sich die ersten Bewohner, dort, was später Amsterdam heißen soll, niedergelassen. Die ersten Bewohner bauten ihre Häuser an höher gelegenen Stellen. Es waren hauptsächlich Fischer und Bauern.
And arched bridges of the Reguliers Canal in a row.
Wir nähern uns jetzt einem
This is the
Höhepunkt unserer
7
Tour.
arch
Gleich
bridges,
sehen
you
wir auf der
guys.
linken Seite
7
die 7
bridges
Bogenbrücken der
in a row.
Regulierschlacht
If you
hintereinander.
look, you'll see 7 in a row, back to back to back. Look at that. 7 in a row, 7 bridges in a row.
Residence of the Mayor of Amsterdam.
Das Gebäude links mit
The
der
mayor of
Außenwaffe
Amsterdam,
502
you guys,
und den
lives
Balkonen
in
und den Walmsäulen
502.
ist die
The
Amtswohnung
one
des
with the
Amsterdamer
balcony, that's
Bürgermeisters.
506,
With the flag.
504,
Flag. Right here.
and this right here where the flag is, the mayor lives there, you guys. 502. So we went by the mayor's house. He's not home. I should go ring his bell. Hello, you there? Do you still live
We
here?
waren hier in de Gouden Bocht, waar in de 17e eeuw de rijkste kooplieden woonhuizen worden nu gebruikt als banken, kantoren en consulaten.
Don't ask me what this building is. I just think it's pretty.
De
And
deur
it's
onder het dak
high,
was
y'all.
uitsluitend voor het personeel.
Look
We
at
are now
that.
sailing the Gouden Bocht, or Golden Bend, where the richest merchants used to live in the 17th century. People who had made
This
it
is where
big
the
in this
rich folks
powerful
used to
trading
live. I
town
don't know if they still
obviously
live
had to
here.
show it.
So they said this is where the richest people
Extra
used
large
to live.
doors and
Ooh.
small upper windows. This would make the buildings look even larger and higher. These
Wow,
houses
these are some
now
high-ass
used as
buildings.
banks, office buildings, and consulates. In the past, a single family would have lived there. The door underneath the stairs was strictly for the use of staff members.
Jetzt fahren wir durch die Goldene Kurve, in der im 17. Jahrhundert die reichsten Kaufleute wohnten. Wer es in diese mächtigen Handelsstadt geschafft hatte,
So this
musste
is where the
natürlich
riches
auch zur
of the
Schau
rich used
stellen.
to live. I don't know if
Zu
they still
einfachen
live here,
Häusern mit
so
besonders breiten
y'all bear with
Eingangstüren
me.
und kleinen Oberfenstern. Der Effekt
You can see on the left and right of us. Here are many kinds of facades, but the most common are the stepped gable, the bell gable, the neck gable, the frame gable, and the spout or funnel gable. You can see that each house has a hoisting beam high on the facade. As doors and stairs in houses in Amsterdam are very narrow, moving is usually done using the windows.
achten Sie auch auf die Giebel der Häuser, die wir hier an der linken und rechten Seite sehen. Es sind ziemlich verschiedene Giebel, aber die häufigsten sind der Stufen-, Glocken-, Hals- und Rahmengiebel und der Ausguss- oder Trichtergiebel.
Er staat de Iep langs de grachten
Now
en hoort
guys,
deze
we're gonna
tot
see
werelderfgoed. Er is geen plek ter wereld waar nog zoveel iepen bij elkaar staan. Elke lente strooien meer dan 75.000 iepen een miljoen zaadjes uit over de stad.
The typical tree of Amsterdam is the elm. Elms have stood along the canals for over 400 years, and they belong to our world heritage. There is no other place in the world where so many elms can be found together. Each spring, over 75,000 elms scatter their millions of seeds across the city.
Die Ulme ist der Baum von Amsterdam. Die Ulme steht seit mehr als 400 Jahren an den Kanälen.
I don't know what that is, you guys. I'm trying to figure it out. But look at it. It's finally getting dark, but
We gaan naar de Haarlemmersluis, een van de 16 voormalige zeesluizen van Amsterdam.
We are now sailing toward the
you
Harlem Sluice.
guys see all these bridges. They're saying along the river it's over 1,800 bridges around Amsterdam
Anders hebben
through the rivers.
fietsen is een van de snelste manieren om door de stad te reizen. Vandaar dat u ook zoveel fietsen overal geparkeerd ziet staan. Het is een van de grootste parkeerplekken in
These
Amsterdam.
are bridges we're going under, and it's about 1,800 of them throughout Amsterdam.
Dan inwoners in Amsterdam.
Many residents of Amsterdam have bicycles. Cycling is one of the fastest ways to travel across the city. That is why you can see so many bikes parked everywhere. And it's one of the major parking problems in Amsterdam. Every day, the municipality removes hundreds that have been parked improperly. Amsterdam has more bicycles than
So, y'all girl is trying to get on that. I just don't know how yet, but that's the plan. I don't know if it's a hotel or if it's a ship or what it is, but y'all girl is trying to get on it.
No, it's just
you can see Amsterdam Tower, which used to be the headquarters of Shell. Now it's a vibrant place for creative and innovative companies. You can visit this building. It offers an amazing view from the roof.
That's the Amsterdam Tower, you guys. They
Links
say you can visit it and go up to the roof. I did not know that. So, something else for people to do. It's the Amsterdam Tower. So, Amsterdam Tower.
Auf dem Dach können
What's
Sie
it?
die Aussicht genießen. Und wenn Sie sich auf die Schaukel trauen,
Veel pontjes.
There's something to do, you guys. That's what I'm saying. They say you could go up and the view is amazing up there. I'll have to look into it and see how you get there. This is the ferry. There's the ferry. Joy, this is the ferry that you cross over to go to Sharon, to Amsterdam North. So you take the ferry there. Over there is North Cutting. And you cross over this way. Yeah. This is the Sharon. That's the ferry right here. That's the ferry, you guys. And you cross over to one other side of the city. See it?
That's where we go to get on
It's beautiful out, guys. Now that the sun is set and the lights are on, you see a totally different view. It's amazing out here. Look at the water. It's gorgeous. Huh? Just click on your thing and it's gonna log it on. Because you already got the Wi-Fi. Go into settings and click on iPhone.
Die Schiffe haben eine Länge zwischen 110 und 150 Meter und bieten Platz für ungefähr 150 Passagiere.
Cruises and then they stop here for like day cruises. You get off and go back on. I'm not sure.
Oh, bad in here.
It's like 150 meters long. Starts all the way in front. Ends all the way out here. Yeah. This one. Oh, it's a big guys. And that right there is the music building. Let's see, above. Yeah.
Higher swings too. So it's like they have it all there and just
You guys saw the view when it was still light out, and now it's getting darker, and this is the night view, you guys. But our boat trip is coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed the view as much as I did. I tried explaining certain things as best as I can, but we'll do this one more time soon, you guys. So I hope y'all enjoyed this.